How to turn off email suggested accounts notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off email suggested accounts notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find test three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find push notifications. Click on it and then click this one, email notifications, and here you will find it this one, suggested accounts. Now if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.